The global aerospace industry is currently undergoing a major transformation in this landscape. Cross-border collaboration is a key strategy for creating a new generation of more advanced aircraft. One noteworthy development is Turkey's involvement in the design and assembly of a state-of-the-art aircraft, along with Airbus. The aircraft assembly line is a highly complex and integrated process, where thousands of components are assembled with high precision to form a single aircraft. In this project, Turkey plays a crucial role at various stages. From structural design to system integration, Turkey has transformed from a mere component supplier to a strategic partner in the development of modern aircraft. The primary focus of the development is fuel efficiency and carbon emission reduction. To achieve this, carbon fiber-based composite materials, which are significantly lighter than conventional aluminum, are used. Furthermore, the aircraft's aerodynamic design is optimized through advanced digital simulations to reduce air resistance. In the assembly line, each aircraft part is manufactured and tested separately before being assembled into a single unit. The wings, fuselage, avionics systems, and cabin interior are assembled using robotics and advanced automation technology. Turkey is contributing to the development of artificial intelligence-based manufacturing systems that improve accuracy. In terms of engines, this aircraft is equipped with the latest technology designed to increase efficiency and reduce noise. This new generation of engines uses a more optimized combustion system, resulting in lower emissions. Furthermore, the integration of digital systems allows for real-time monitoring of engine performance, thereby enhancing safety and operational efficiency. The aircraft's interior has also undergone significant improvements. The cabin is designed with a passenger comfort approach, including adaptive lighting, ergonomic seats, and a digital entertainment system. More stable air pressure regulation technology helps reduce fatigue during long-haul flights. All of these innovations make the aircraft not only technically superior, but also provide a superior user experience. One of the key innovations in this project is the implementation of the Smart Assembly Line concept. This system integrates Internet of Things (IoT) sensors, real-time data analytics, and artificial intelligence to monitor every stage of production. With this technology, each component can be digitally tracked, enabling early detection of potential defects. Turkey is involved in the development of the quality control software that forms the backbone of this system. Beyond the technical aspects, this project also has a significant economic impact. Turkey's aerospace industry is experiencing increased investment, creating thousands of new jobs for engineers, technicians, and other skilled workers. Technology transfer from Airbus to local companies is also increasing the capacity of the domestic industry, strengthening Turkey's position as a key player in the global aviation supply chain. However, the development of this advanced aircraft is not without its challenges. Coordination between international teams requires efficient communication systems and robust project management. Differences in industry standards and regulations between countries also pose obstacles that must be overcome. Airbus and Turkey are addressing this by developing a digital collaboration platform that enables real-time data integration. Safety is also a top priority on the assembly line. Every stage of production must meet stringent international safety standards. Testing is carried out in layers, from digital simulations to physical field tests. Turkey is instrumental in developing a simulation-based testing system capable of predicting aircraft performance under various extreme conditions. The success of this project has long-term implications for the global aviation industry. The collaboration between Turkey and Airbus opens new opportunities for other countries to engage in high-tech development. This also shows that innovation is no longer concentrated in traditional countries, but has spread to various regions that have the capacity and strategic vision. Turkey has once again captured the attention of the aerospace world with its ambitious steps in the global aviation industry. For decades, known as a bridge between East and West, the country is now demonstrating its capacity as a key player in the modern aircraft production chain, including its involvement in the assembly of the world's most advanced Airbus aircraft. This development did not happen overnight. Since the early 2000s, Turkey has consistently built the foundation of its defense industry, including the aerospace sector, through significant investment in technology, education, and international cooperation. Turkey has succeeded in creating an industrial ecosystem capable of supporting the production of high-tech aircraft components. Turkey's involvement in the Airbus project marks a significant milestone in this journey. Airbus, as one of the world's largest aircraft manufacturers, is known for its extremely high quality and technological standards. Not every country can be part of its production chain. Therefore, the trust placed in Turkey to assemble parts of the most advanced Airbus aircraft demonstrates global recognition of the country's industrial capabilities during the assembly process. Turkish companies play a role in the production of various critical components, from the fuselage structure and avionics systems to the wings. The technology used is not only sophisticated, but also requires high precision and stringent safety standards. This demands a skilled workforce and a robust quality control system. One key factor in Turkey's success is the collaboration between the government, the private sector, and educational institutions. Turkish universities have developed specialized programs in aerospace engineering, producing graduates ready to enter the industry. Furthermore, the government provides substantial incentives for research and development, fostering continuous innovation. The economic impact of this involvement is also significant. The aerospace industry is one of the fastest growing sectors in Turkey. Thousands of jobs are created, both directly and indirectly. Furthermore, technology transfer from Airbus to local companies enhances the capabilities of the domestic industry, enabling Turkey to develop its own future projects. This achievement is not only economically sound, it also has strategic implications. By mastering aerospace technology, Turkey strengthens its position in global geopolitics. The ability to manufacture and assemble modern aircraft provides advantages in the defense and transportation sectors and reduces dependence on other countries. However, this journey is certainly not without challenges. The aviation industry is one of the most complex sectors in the world. Competition is fierce, and innovation is occurring rapidly. Turkey must continue to invest in research and development to remain relevant. Furthermore, global geopolitical and economic factors can also impact the stability of international cooperation. Nevertheless, the future looks bright. With its growing experience and growing reputation, Turkey has the potential to become one of the world's aircraft manufacturing hubs. Its involvement in the Airbus project is only the beginning of a long journey toward a self-sufficient aerospace industry. Turkey's success also serves as an inspiration for other developing countries. With the right strategy, consistent investment, and a commitment to quality, it's possible for other countries to follow suit. A high-tech industry like aerospace requires significant time and resources, but the results can have a tremendous long-term impact. Ultimately, Turkey's story of assembling the most advanced Airbus aircraft is one of vision, hard work, and the courage to compete globally. It is proof that with careful planning and a willingness to continuously learn, a country can transcend limitations and achieve feats previously considered impossible.